To create a Cash App business account, start by downloading the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. Select Sign Up and choose Business as the account type. Enter your email address or phone number to receive a verification code. Type in the code and create a password for your account. Provide your business name, business type, and address. You will also need to provide your social security number or employer identification number for tax purposes. Link your bank account by selecting the bank icon and searching for your bank. You can also link a debit card by selecting the card icon. Verify your bank account by entering the 2 small deposits made by Cash App. To complete the setup, provide additional information about your business, including your business category and description. You will also need to agree to the terms of service. Once your account is set up, you can start using Cash App to send and receive payments for your business. As a business account holder, you will have access to additional features such as invoicing and payment tracking. You can create and send invoices to customers and track payments in real time. You can also use Cash App to manage your business expenses and stay organized. It is essential to keep your account information up to date and secure. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions. Use a strong password and enable 2-factor authentication to protect your account. By following these steps, you can easily create a Cash App business account and start using it to manage your business finances. Remember to always follow best practices and stay informed about any updates or changes to the Cash App platform.